In this video, we'll walk through how to set up the CareCredit integration in Avimark, allowing you to offer CareCredit financing options to pet owners directly from your practice management software. To get started, log into Avimark. Then, click on the cog icon to open the Options Maintenance area, also known as the Advanced Options. In the search field, type CareCredit. Then, expand the CareCredit section and select Active. From the default value, click the Change button and set the value to True, then click OK. Next, select the Merchant ID option and click Change. Here, enter your practice CareCredit Merchant ID. This is a 16-digit number and typically begins with 53. Once the merchant ID is entered, click OK, then Done to close out of Advanced Options. That's it. CareCredit is now ready to use in Avimark. For more information on processing CareCredit payments and other support resources, search CareCredit in the Avimark support page at covetris.com.